Alright, this is a test ride, and I went up to get some gas for my turn signal indicator. I have two up there that I thought would give me a good view of when I left the turn signal on. I don't have a key on, like right now. To go right, you see? You can't miss that. Your eye will catch it immediately. That didn't work, and these don't work. Now, when you get the left one, I can see that flashing. It works great, okay? The check engine light, I know what that is, so I'm not worried about it. Okay, let's go for a ride and check it out. I'm in Florida, no helmet. You can see it. I got the camera turned just a little bit. Right over there. And we'll get the other one just to show you. Okay, there we go. Alright, home. I won't be riding along with my turn signal on with that, I guarantee you. I'll let you look at it when I get home. Let me show you what I had to do to get that to work. If these are LED strips, and they're about 8 inches long, and there's two of them, one for the left blinker right here and one for the right blinker. When I first hooked them up, they would trip the circuit breaker for the turn signals, and it would only blink one time and then shut off. It was drawing too much current. So I had a couple of relays and measured, and the resistance of the relay coil was about 75 ohms. I put that in the middle in the series just to give it resistant, and it's working fine. I couldn't find a 75 or 100 ohm resistor. If I could, I would have used one, but I had the two relays, and I put one in the left turn signal and one in the right one, and it's working beautiful. And the main thing is I have a problem with forgetting the turn signal. When you go like 3/4 of a turn and it doesn't cancel, I go for long periods of time with the turn signals on, and I'm afraid it's dangerous. So this is going to do the job, I think. I was concerned about people behind me seeing these flashing, especially when I'm trying to turn right and I've got it flashing on this left side, whether that would be a confusion factor. But my GPS is kind of in the way, and this is close in. From the back, I don't believe you'll be able to see that flashing like that. I can't really see if I put the right turn signal LED on the other side. I don't think my eyes will catch that as easy as I can see them over here. When either one is blinking, there's no question I can see it, and will cancel it. So, let's go under the hood and I'll show you what I had to do. We're going to open the hood. I want to show you the relays that I had to mount in there. Alright, and there you go. Okay, they're right here, and they were 75 ohms. You find something, just you can go to the auto parts store, and you're looking for about 75 to 100 ohms, something like that. And most small relays will, automotive relays will probably be in that category. Or if you have resistors, you could put them in there. And what I did is connected to the turn signal over here on this side, and it's this inside pin over here, pin number 1, and it'll be pin number 1 on the other side, but the other one will be on the outside. If you look at you can see pins 1 and 3. So it's pin 1 over here, a blue wire, and over there it's a blue and pink, which is the right hand turn signal. And I spliced in with that, run my wire all the way back, one side to the relay coil, the other side goes to the positive red lead of the LED strip, and the other side is a ground wire going to ground. And you do both, and this side I wired over to the other side, connected it. So if you want to get yourself a little strip like this, and Ozium is the company that I got these from, and I got they're like 30 inches long, 28 to 30 inches long. No, they're 35 inches long and got 2 connections. So you could get one, and you can cut it at 15 LEDs from both sides, and you'll have what you need. And you want the ultra thin, and I'll try to put that in the information, Ozium. And that's pretty much it. They stick with a nice strong adhesive, but what you want to do is take alcohol and clean this support arm real good, and they'll stick on there nicely, and they'll be there forever. And get you a couple of 75 ohm relays from the auto place, and or 75 ohm resistor will do it. Okay, I think this is important that we don't drive around with our turn signals on, and I'm thinking this is going to stop that for me, and I'll be much safer. Okay, good luck on your hookup.